Hi everyone, it's Frances again from York County Library here in South Carolina, and I'm here to do my last craft tutorial for this summer's Summer Learning Challenge, Tails and Tales. And today's craft is a shark ball and cup game. So the object is for the shark to eat the little fish. Ready? Let's get started. In your craft kit, you will find a plastic water bottle that's been cut with teeth, white paint, blue paint, pair of big googly eyes, the bottle cap with the string attached, piece of blue paper, a styrofoam ball painted orange, and a toothpick, 3 pieces of pipe cleaner cut, and 2 little googly eyes. You will need scissors, a marker, a paintbrush, a little screwdriver, flathead, and or a coin, some craft glue, and maybe tape. So to begin, take your marker and find there are 2 lines on each side of the bottle. It's kind of hard to see them here. They're in the plastic. So from here, you're going to draw the area that you want to be blue, including this fin here, all the way to the back. So you're just going to come down, draw a fin. It doesn't have to be perfect. Come back up, and then a straight line to the back, like that. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now you're ready to paint. The top part is going to be blue, the bottom part and the teeth are going to be white. Now to open the containers that have paint in them, that's where the little screwdriver or a coin come in handy. See these 2 little flaps here? You put the screwdriver in, and I recommend that perhaps you have a grown-up to help you, and then you pop the lid up very gently, so you don't want to spill your paint. It is washable, but it could be a big mess. Then you take your paintbrush, and we're going to paint the top blue, but don't paint the teeth, just come across, and there should be enough paint for you to do 2 coats, because the first coat is going to be a little thin. And when you finish painting the top part blue, you're going to paint the bottom part white. After painting your bottle, you can set it to the side, let it dry thoroughly before you go any further. In the meantime, we're going to work on our little fish. So you've got this round styrofoam ball that's been painted orange, and got 2 little googly eyes and these pieces of pipe cleaner. You're going to take the little small 2 short pieces and just wrap it around like that, and then twist the ends so that you have a little shape like that, and that's a fin. So do that with the other little short piece. So now you've got the 2 side fins. Then you're going to take this longer piece and bend it so it looks like a letter M, like that. Then you're going to pull these two ends together, kind of, might want to make a little bend like that, then bring them together and twist. And this is the little fishy's tail. Now, find the little hole where the toothpick was, and you're going to put the tail in there. This is where you need your craft glue. So put a little bit of glue, and then like so. Now, take the toothpick and you want to make a hole on each side for the fins. So, and then you're going to put a little dab of glue in each hole. And put in a fin. Then the googly eyes are self-stick, but sometimes they don't stick. So I'm going to glue them on. There's the little fish. Now, I'm going to take my marker for fun. I'm going to make a little mouth, a round circle. So now he looks like he's surprised that he might be eaten by a shark. So after the paint is dry, I'm going to take the bottle cap with the string. You're going to put the string down in, and you're going to put the cap back on. Then, oops, put the string through the little fishy's tail, tie a knot. Pull it tight. And put a little bit of craft glue on the knot to help hold it in place. Last but not least, you're going to add your eyes. So if you, they do have a peel-off backing. They're self-stick, and then you're going to put one on each side. Oops. And try to get them in about the same place on each side. And if they don't stick well, use some glue. I almost forgot, we have to add a fin. So take your piece of blue paper, cut out a fin shape, and fold down a piece on the bottom, and then you're just going to glue it on the shark's back. we go. And you can put it wherever you think it should go. Now you're ready to play. So, have fun. I hope you've enjoyed all of my virtual programming, including these craft tutorials for our summer Take and Make crafts. It's really been a lot of fun making them, and I'd love to see some results. If you want to bring what you made to the library, I'd love to see them. So look for our upcoming programming in-house beginning in September, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.